Here's how to transfer funds from Wise to a local bank account. Now, for us to get started, I'm going to inform you guys that I'm doing this one on a desktop application, but it's going to be the same thing if you're going to do it on your phone. All right, now for us to get started, we're just going to click or go over here and then tap the send button. Now, I'm going to inform you that we don't have a withdraw function here in Wise, just the send one. Okay, and then you can go ahead and enter the amount, say for example, $150, and then you're going to click this one in order for you to find the currency that you're going to be changing it to. In my case, I'm changing it to peso, for example. And then where you're going to be getting this one, in our case, it says ACH because we did not have a balance. But what you're going to do is make sure that you are using your balance here. Again, the balance here is referring to your Wise balance. Now I'm going to click that and then click the continue button right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is basically add a recipient. So I'm going to click this and then I'm going to go ahead and enter bank details. Now for this time, go ahead and choose myself or someone else. It's basically the exact same step. For example, if I'm going to be sending this to myself, I'm going to go ahead and basically enter the following details. We have local bank account, the full name. So let's go ahead and add here a name, for example. And then you can go ahead and click this one in order for you to find the bank name. Say, for example, in my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. And then the account number, which is very important. So make sure that you double check this one or even triple check in order for you to find out. All right, there you go. Now, another option that you can do, by the way, is the e-wallet. You can click this one over here and just basically fill them in. So you have the name and the wallet provider. Say, for example, let's just go ahead and fill this in. All right, there you go. I filled in everything. So that's the name, the provider, and then the e-wallet number. So yeah, once you have done this one, what you're gonna do is just tap the confirm button if you're choosing local account, and then tap the confirm here as well for e-wallet. Say for example, I'm gonna go back to local bank account, gonna click the confirm button, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna review this one. So for verification purposes, you need to take photos of your document, and then you also have to do this on, say for example, or take a selfie rather. Yeah, basically after that, you should be able to pay this one. Everybody, that's just how simple it is. Now again, that is how you're going to transfer funds from Wise to a local bank account.